Number 11, a diagram is shown. Okay, we have parallel lines here with a transversal. Corey uses the diagram to analyze the given statement. When a quote, when a transversal intersects parallel lines, two angles are supplementary if and only if they are adjacent. First, I want to remind you guys, I have the coolest thing, and I want to make a video just about it, of how to remember which is supplementary and which is complementary. If you write the word supplementary and complementary, you can use one line to remember which is 180 and which is 90. S, you just do, and it makes an 8, as in 180 degrees. On the complementary, and you have a 90, the 90 degrees for complementary. Isn't that cute? I think it's cute. I'm going to make a video just with that. But they're saying that when a transversal intersects, that two angles are supplementary only if they're adjacent. And that's not true because, adjacent angles aren't the only ones that make 180. So we have to find a counterexample. They give us all of these angles here and here that we can match up. So let's look at FGH, okay? And of course it has two angles that are adjacent to it, but it also has a corresponding angle in M, okay? Again, corresponding, you pick that up, put it on top of that one, and if you're on top of each other, that means you're corresponding, so G and M. M makes a straight line with its adjacent angles, okay? So let's say if we were to pick FGH, let's look at its corresponding angle, and then KMO would make a supplementary angle. If we put this angle up here with its corresponding angle, then KMO would be adjacent to that corresponding angle and make that straight line or supplementary angle. So we can match those two up as an answer. FGM, this one right here, would be supplemental to this one down here. You see how that works? So that would be KMO. We already did KMO. Oh, corresponds to KMO. So KMG then would be the one that would match to, okay? You only have to do one, but there are a whole lot here that you could highlight. I'm going to go ahead with those two because it was the first ones that we saw.